Hey guys, what's up? My name is Takura, aka the SHONA Prince, and I want to do a story time that I've been meaning to do for a while. And this is something that's bothered me for a while, But today, Nangomwan just funga so much, and I was thinking about my friend. So I've sang about this in a song before, way back. It's negative energy, and so many people have asked me, "I'm that story in the chokwadere." For the first time, I'm gonna admit I have lied, and about some of the things in the song. But the things that people doubt about the song are the real things. No story chokwadim song. So I'm gonna talk about it. So I think it's 2006 or 2007. I don't remember. You're gonna have to forgive me because my dates. It's not data. So it's 2000 around that time. That was a form 4. I avoided a form 4 on purpose because I didn't want to continue. I hated school. I didn't fail on purpose because no. I was a really smart guy. I'll say that myself. But I knew that means and I hated school. And it's okay if you love school. I'm not saying anything. But for me, I hated school even till this day. Anyway, I avoided form 4 chichichi. I know the drama is still nanas. I go mtendo. Anyway, I avoided school because nani planning to say kuni cousin young boys nambo gara kumusha for about a year or something. So me and my cousin Taironga takatomboza jump board that is Taironga chiti no ese chichi achiti one imba chichi that guy supported me so much. I don't know Webster, he lives in the Western Cape. Anyway, ati uya inumva ndati plan de kuti ndikauza moms kuti ndikuda kuenda uko vanoramba because vanoda kuti ndizokuruze chi form 4 pandela ndombovisitoje mom sister yako kwarari kunaenda kuma holidays for ball. So ndabva visitor okay, so I had a sister in the Chipo Botswana. She took care of us. Takura at this time, and Chipo Ngazoka, she bought me clothes. If you know the song of the Chipo, yeah, and I got some album and I got last week. That's the woman I was talking about. That's my sister. I love her so much. I'll do a story time about her. She was also one of the most amazing people. I'll do a story time. But anyway, Chipo Ndigira Yembe Paya, the Tengus Adzimo Yembe one. Mari yangu yaita shoma ndaudzwa antozondiana kandoza route kuti unokwira train mchegutu, right? Train hiyo inokusita somewhere which is no Bay Bridge. Anchezoti ndambudza mumwe nakati triangle. I'm forgetting the name. But I know there's someone out there who might know these things. Vanduza kati unokwira chichichi dzikabokwira apa, then you know stop doing no Bay Bridge. Then munema about 20 km from Bay Bridge, if I'm not mistaken. Move out train muenda ku road. But adaenda ku road. That's what road goga. Vatakura gonye vatapina Bay Bridge. Pina Bay Bridge nansina mari. Pandagenda kuna malaicha. Vanoziva vana malaicha basa ravo. I'm sure vanoziva, but vasingaziva na malaicha vanojam someone boda upiwa marumberi. It's dangerous because vamwana vanogona kuuraya when you die. But then inini ndaka one got bo, and then what they do is they call your family member in SA. Okay, tina ningi pana murumuzere mudo tena bo 1,000 rands was a lot of money at that time. So what they do is kana cousin yako yavuma vakuchengeta manje. Excuse me. Vakuchengeta vakugara mota chichichi because I see kombi nokunzo zara vanga vamira one. So it could take 2 weeks, it could take a month. So they will take care of me. But what they do now is they call every day. Confirm out. Are you still, because don't know how much feed the moon or you also tell us and then nobody knows what I want. Anyway, Tagara motor at Zare. So young to the network one, that wasn't the only car. So Vatora motor to end up Kokata Mamisha, so Bay Bridge, right? Kunemba, Paimbaba and Pakashika Motors Kawanta Papa Zarawan. Paka Zarawan is to state okay, Mazawa Koko Zara, like the river was full. I think it still happens today, but time it was crazy. On a John Makaru and Muraga Zara, so would wait Pamusha Papa for days to embrace it. Ukano phone every day. So when we got there, my cousin, not one that Umo, I got him do Agabati, Agabatanga phone. So I said I had a phone, baby. And that means, I have to go back to Bay Bridge. They have to take me back, and then those was one error. They can't continue with me. So Tagara. Now, the guy I want to talk about, I think I'm going to call this series The Time I Met an Angel in Human Form. So Mfeso, he was the same age as me, but he wasn't Debele, right? Akaba kumbira kuti konkanguti processor chichichi. Ndanga tombozana naye, taitongogara off for some days. Konkanguti processor, and then Twitter say, I don't know where he came from. And then, that's a great idea because now from God's okay. And then they go, it was crazy. So I got on the hype up and I was like, damn. And the time we ran, says what and they Papa's nice also, we were brothers, The day came where we had to cross the river. And now, once the time comes, these guys, they turn into soldiers. I'm not in soldier mode. Now they don't play. They tell you, if I tell you something, you do it quickly. This is a life or death situation. So you have to listen. First thing, we just got a riverbank. You take off your clothes, take off your clothes, you put them here, you tie your shoelaces. I'm a short guy, and remember, I was 14 at this time, so I was short. Let's go. Anyway, Takura sababe, taenda taswa kuseri, mababu doachi. Taswa iko they tell you, you listen to what I say. Ndikati manya mu mind, ndikati kale passages mo gara pas, ndanyara mu nyara. Wafana VSHD, monotora mabega ana moms. And papa we were about 21, and papa ni mwana mcheche angani 3 months. This happens all the time. I'm not saying this. It happens all the time. So that was our job. Timanya tombonzi famba in reverse, you know, musango ku South African side. Famba in reverse with my footprints kuti vafunga kuti vanarwenda uko, you know, just confusing the rangers. And then tasvika vatazozorora at one place takamira kuti kusvibe because paunozobuda kuti ukwanise kuenda kuMessina ku road inozokuendesa kuMessina pane masoja. And I guess maybe that was the only way. That's when they said to us, you have to okay, that's when the cars were coming kuzotora chi van manero iwayo. So papa ni 8 of us vanga vasina kubhadhara, and then there was vanga vakabhadhara ndo vakauya vakatorwa nemota isu takaanza mozozona from there. So tasvika paya tavanzi pane masoja aripo, like I said. So road you have to walk one muchipfuura manheru because vairi vapanze pane mota, they were like a